of all. You guys, we're gonna decorate our house. Yes, Christmas is next
week. Next Friday.
Mm.
And the house is like
But
white.
we're still gonna decorate because we're gonna do the Christmas spirit. But first, we gotta clean up. So you guys, come and clean with us.
Because we gotta decorate the house.
Christmas. As you guys can tell, we are late people in a lot of things. But that doesn't mean you still can't get in the Christmas spirit and decorate. So now we're going to bring the tree in and start decorating. The look on their faces are just priceless. Christmas, I know, is everything like. So I want them to be so much in tune with helping me decorate as much as they're gonna help clean, but it's remaining in the Christmas spirit and having fun. Family time. As you guys can tell, they are very, very excited. This is Lyric's first Christmas, so As you can see, she is pretty much beating on the tree. And we're gonna see how this goes with the ornaments being on the tree afterwards. Yes, I got a pre-lit tree, and in the process of doing that, you gotta find all of the cords to connect. It's just easier to put up and take down for your decorating. It speeds up the process when you can find the cords. There we go. Layla's my coordinator, as you can tell. I love for them to be in tune and telling me how they want the house decorated. So most of these decorations getting put up is how the kids wanted it to be, because I want them to be able to tell, you know, this is what they wanted, and I just follow it. I love it. Hope you guys are enjoying. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, you guys, and hit that like button and comment down below. What do you like in this video? And when you decorate, how does your Christmas decorating go? Yes, I know, these go under the tree, but I thought it would be cuter to put on my island. That way I can lay all of the display that we got from Dollar Tree on top of them. Yes, all of these decorations are from Dollar Tree, you guys. You cannot go wrong. The houses, they are little houses that you can put the tea light candles under and turn the switch on, and they light up in the dark. It's too adorable. Yes, these say to go on the windows, but when it's your house, you decorate however you like. We chose to put them on our walls so that it's in the house so people can see them when they come to visit. You can see them as you walk by our windows, but they really wanted it in the house. So Like I said, I want them to do the decorating how they liked, and that's what we did. It was cute. Originally, the kids were supposed to wear this during the video, but they kept taking it off and throwing it around. So we figured, hey, why not hang them up on the walls? You guys, I found this in Walmart. I will say that. The Lucky Charms hot chocolate. We wanted to go ahead and have some nice Christmas spirit of having some hot chocolate right after doing the whole entire decorating. What better way to end the night? Thank you guys so much for watching us decorate our house. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, you guys, and comment down below, how did your Christmas decorating go in your house? Until next time, you guys.